We're getting a 2004 Honda Accord. I already replaced the relay on it. Then today I'll be replacing the ignition switch. Let's see. Here it is, a new ignition switch. Hopefully that fixes the issue. It doesn't start all the time, but it starts right now. But let's go start taking this off right now. Alright, there's 3 Phillips here, here, and here. Then you gotta take out this trim. And the only Phillips you have right here. And then you just connect it right here. This green one. Then you can pull all this out. Look at the new ignition switch. I think it only has this Phillips right here. Let's see if that works. Alright, took out the screw in here, and there's another one up to here, this area. Pain in the ass to get. I'll show you on the old one. There's a screw here, a Phillips, and another screw right here in this hole. Put it on, put the new one. Hopefully I can do it with one hand. Basically just like this. That. Now I'm gonna put the screw back in. They're like this style screw. Alright, put it in. Connector. I'll see if she just starts right away. Alright. One more time. Alright, sweet. That's how you fix that issue. I checked all the grounds, everything good. I put 2 new relays. Now went with a ignition switch. Hopefully that will fix your issue on your 2004 and probably newer. I don't know what year Honda Accord is, but thank you for watching. Have a nice day, night, weekend. Have a drive safe and stay dirty.